Alright, yo, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Draco V4 trials super fast and efficient, and with tips and tricks involved as well. All you're going to need is the gravity fruit, and you're going to need this move on the gravity, which is the F move, which is only 50 mastery. And secondly, I like to have a friend to help me spawn the Prehistoric Island. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so we just found the Prehistoric Island, so we're going to get started on the quest. The fuck? Alright guys, here we go. So we're gonna start the event. Quick tip for you guys. So I'm gonna be doing while my friend defeats all the NPCs. I'm gonna be restoring all the volcanic eruption stuff. A quick tip is you can use magma is pretty good, so you don't get affected by the lava. So I suggest using magma. And yeah, guys. By the way, these little spots right here, they'll do damage. So if you get too close, you'll start dealing damage and stuff. So you gotta be careful when you're doing it. Sometimes it doesn't work too, so you have to kind of get a little bit close. Yeah, sometimes it's just buggy, so you have to give it a second. I don't know why it's buggy. Yeah, sometimes Silk Guitar ones don't work. I don't really know why, but you gotta be careful with it too. Alright guys, we got 20 more seconds left till it's done. Alright, no, I'm just kidding. Alright, this is one of the last ones. Bang. Oh shit. Bang. Alright, last one. And there we go, that's done. Alright guys, so after doing that, you want to go down, collect some bones. You know my boy collecting some bones here. After you're done collecting the bones, obviously go collect your egg. And from here, what I like to do, so remember this location right here. I would go and equip gravity right about now. And hold the F move to activate it. Alright. And then you want to come over here. Go through this little, go across this little water. Then you see this little crack right here. Alright. No diddy. Alright, then you go through this. It should light up. After you've done all the Draco requirements, it should light up. So you just want to head in with your gravity. Alright, there you go. So now after you head in, you want to go down quick to interact. Alright, and then start the trial. And a tip I'm going to give you, you guys want to start, you see this little ledge right here? You want to have the meteor about halfway in and halfway out, so you can get down. Oh god. Alright. And if you get too close to the lava and you sit on it all the way, it'll explode your F move and you won't be able to use it. So try not to get too close to the lava, because the lava does do damage. And then from there, you want to go and bring it up. This way is super simple, super easy, so it's not too hard to explain. Alright, go over here. Go place it down. At your remaining. Alright, so I think we just did the yellow one, so I'm gonna go get the green one now. I think. Let me go see. So the yellow, I gotta see. So guys, every time start below here so you can get down and see. Alright, so now we're gonna go do the green. Remember halfway. Go about like halfway here. You can get down close enough to go get it. Alright, bring this one up. Alright, it's gonna reset you, but it's alright. Guys, there's no like you don't have any pressure. By doing it normally, usually you have the pressure of just like trying to use your flight abilities and all these things and then avoid the lava. But this is super simple. I'm just on the gravity block the whole time. Alright. Now I gotta go collect the last one. The pink one. So let's go down. Super simple. I think the way that they made the Draco V4 trial, I think it's pretty annoying. So getting around it with some small stuff like this is really good. Alright, so I'm gonna go about like halfway again. Not too close to lava. Oh god. Alright. Alright, it's gonna reset me. I wasn't close enough, but it's gonna reset you where you're gonna be on the ground, so it's actually good. got the last one. Alright. Look at that. I still got 2 minutes on the clock. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We're chilling on time. Alright, let's go bring the last one. 3, 2, 1. And there we go. And just like that, you're done with the chamber trials. So now you just go right through the white little hole right here. Hey, yo. Alright, go in there. Alright, and you should be done. Alright. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It was a pretty simple and short video. I didn't want to make it too long. Yeah guys, take the tips in that I gave, and then I would also recommend just keep on doing that same thing. Using the flight can be pretty annoying to get up, so keep using the little glitch until they patch it. And yeah guys, hope you have a good one.